I got a feeling I broke my wrist. This guy just sucker punched me, man.
You punched that guy in the face that day is the problem. Right in front of a camera, clear as day.
Let me go. Let me put these things in my pocket.
Don't be going in your pocket.
On August 5th, 2022, deputies in Florida responded to a racetrack gas station after an elderly man reported being assaulted with hot coffee and punched in the head. The suspect fled the scene on a bicycle, but witnesses quickly helped identify him. The incident was captured entirely using body camera footage.
Was standing there for a minute.
Yeah.
Where's the other guy?
He took off. He's got a black bike and a black backpack, dark shirt on, I think. I got to find out how to retrieve this. I have a camera in my car.
Okay.
I'll have a picture of it.
What is he
I got a
wearing?
feeling I broke my wrist.
What is he wearing?
He's wearing a dark
blue
ensemble,
and he had
got a backpack on. It's got 3 zippers across
on a
the
bike?
back.
black bike.
On a bike.
I got a feeling I broke my wrist. This guy just sucker punched me, man. He threw a coffee at me. I was at the counter, threw a coffee, and I went outside the door. I said, "What's going on, man?" He came over.
I'm assuming you want to pursue charges?
Oh, without a doubt. Without a doubt. I think I broke the wrist, yeah.
I think you broke your wrist.
I mean, he hit me, just clocked me on the side of my head, knocked me down.
I actually saw the guy hit him. Swing. I tried to catch him.
Okay, some info from you. You saw what happened?
I wasn't inside. All of a sudden, that guy said, "Hey," he came out the door. "Hey, you threw coffee at me." And the kid turns around and goes, "You got a problem?" Came right at him, and right crossed him, and he went to the ground. I tried to catch him.
Hit him?
Yeah, I think he did hit him.
Did you see him hit him?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you willing to write a statement?
Sure, I don't care. I don't like the kid. I seen him around here before. He parks his bike.
Do you know who he is?
I don't know him. I know he rides his bike everywhere.
Okay.
A couple of days ago, he had a big freaking poster in the back of his backpack. Riding around with that in there, you know? I thought he was weird, too.
Alright. I'll get some paperwork for you here in a second.
I can tell you, I wasn't even looking at him. He was on the phone with somebody,
Alright, so he threw the
hollering,
coffee
and he
and
threw the coffee. When he went by me, he hit me in the leg.
What happened after that?
I said, I went outside. He ran outside. I said, "What are you doing, pal? You just threw a coffee at me." He didn't say nothing, man. He just came over and sucker punched me.
Okay. Where did he hit you?
Side of the head.
With a closed fist or open hand? Or
Oh no, close fist.
what happened to your wrist?
I fell.
Okay.
I fell. I went right down.
Alright. Alright, so just so I have it clear, were they arguing first and then the guy threw the coffee at him?
I don't even think there was an argument. The girl
He just
was
threw the
right
coffee
there.
at him and then he told me that he went outside to confront the guy after he ran out of there.
Yeah.
And the guy just came up to him and punched him.
Yeah, and it's like he was like 20 feet away from him when he yelled, "Hey, you threw your coffee at me," and I was like, "Oh, okay." And I'm gonna turn around and go, "You got a problem?" He went right at him and smacked him.
What was he wearing?
A t-shirt, and shorts.
Do you know what color?
Dark colored t-shirt, man. I don't know, gray or black or something.
All right.
Comes from Flag.
You can sign here and then date next to it. Alrighty. I appreciate it.
Sheriff Sekovich.
Yes.
Okay. I just put your name as Sheriff.
That's fine. That's fine. Thank you.
6132 fire. I'm also 1097. Copy that. Charlie, 644.
Hello. Repairs. Copy down. Copy down for me.
Yeah,
You have your license on you? You have a license on you?
of course.
Okay.
How you doing today?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good.
Any weapons on you, anything like that?
No way.
All right.
What's the problem?
Were you at a gas station the other day?
I mean, I was at racetrack yesterday.
All right. So the reason why I'm out here with you is that we had an incident at a racetrack at a gas station a couple days ago. An elderly gentleman got coffee thrown on him, and he was struck in the face.
Okay.
They sent out an attempt to identify, and someone called in saying that you matched description. That's why I'm out here with you. Were you at a gas station recently?
I've been at a racetrack.
Okay. Did you have an altercation with an elderly male at all?
No.
Throw a coffee in someone?
I've never thrown coffee.
Okay. Alrighty.
Same thing, just trying to stay cool.
So you weren't at a gas station, had an altercation with an elderly male, anything like that?
No altercation.
Okay. Which racetrack were you at the other day?
That one right over there.
The one in the median?
The one in the median is
yeah.
always good.
Okay.
Alright, Sean. How you doing?
Let me read you something, alright? So I read everyone this when I'm talking to them, ask more questions for you, just so everyone's aware of their rights, so there's no confusion. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney with you prior to, during, or after any questioning. With these rights in mind, are you willing to speak with me? I also have a few more questions to ask you. I read everyone their rights so they're better informed of what's going on.
Are you arresting me?
I'm not talking about arresting you right now. I just have more questions for you.
Well, then I would rather not answer any questions.
Okay.
Because that's what my dad's always told me.
Okay. What I have to do is get some photos of you.
Okay.
So what I was talking to you about in reference to the case that happened earlier.
Okay.
We had video of it. You matched it to the T. Same sunglasses, same shoes, everything like that. Same backpack.
That's fine.
So what's going to happen is I'm just going to forward this to the deputy that responded here for the call.
Okay.
Let him know, because like I told you, I'm out here trying to identify you, stuff
Yeah,
like
that's
that.
fine.
Can you just stand up, just get some photos of you?
Absolutely. Take these off?
I'll leave them on for now. I'll have you take them off. Right, just stand the hands to your side. Alright, so like I explained to you, the reason why I'm out here, to identify, you matched the T description of a gentleman that was assaulted here, felony battery. He's over 65. So what's going to happen is I'm going to forward this to the state attorney's office of my findings. That's going to go along with the original case. Just keep a lookout in your mail, anything like that, for any subpoenas, anything like that, any notice to appears. Because I told you, it's reference to a felony battery case.
Can I have my license back?
In 1 second, I'll give it to you. It's in my car, all right? Do you have any questions for me before I get your license, anything like that? All right, give me 1 second, all right? All right, like I told you, reason why I'm out here with you, okay? Just keep a lookout in your mail, anything like that. In case it goes through with anyone, stuff like that. Free to go.
Thank you.
All right.
You guys have a good day.
You too.
Hey, Sean? How you doing? You Sean?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine. Just having a cigarette.
Alright.
You talk to my parents?
No, we're here to talk to you. So,
No, it's just a studio.
oh, that's pretty cool. Is anyone at home there?
Yeah, you probably want to ask them before you talk to me.
I could talk with them. What is that, your parents?
Those are my parents.
Okay. I'll go at the front door, let them know that.
Okay. Hey guys.
Hey, if you don't mind,
He lives with me. I'm his father.
that's fine and all, but he's an adult.
Yeah.
So we're interviewing him and him alone right now. So if you don't mind, you can hang out right here. But if you can't, just go over there to interrupt our
I just want to listen.
Okay, you can listen from here.
I can't hear you very well from here.
Okay, that's fine. Like I said, I don't want you over there.
This
while
is
we're
my property.
speaking. You want us to step off then?
I may have to ask you to if you can't let me stand where I want to stand.
Okay. We're
Am I
conducting an
not
investigation.
entitled?
We're conducting an investigation with your son right now. So if
Right.
you want us to off your property, we can go take him up front. Okay. No,
He's
now.
diagnosed schizophrenic. I'm a retired cardiologist.
Okay.
He's schizophrenic.
Okay.
He's been ill for over 10 years and he's on disability.
Okay.
The only reason he's not homeless and on the street and hasn't murdered anybody to this point is because I keep a roof over his head.
Yeah.
And I make sure he goes and gets his medication.
Okay.
Alright, so I know the deputies talked to you the other day over at the gas station, right?
That's correct.
Okay. And do you know what day that was? It was about like 2 or 3 days ago, right?
Maybe a week, or 2 or 3, 4 days ago. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. I know they read you your rights then. I'm going to read them to you again.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You understand each of these rights?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk with us?
I've always been advised against speaking. Without
You don't have to, so...
That's why we ask. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
You don't have to answer any questions. I'm still going to explain to you why we're here. and what we're doing. And I got a couple things to show you, and then we'll go from there. Okay. All right. So the other day, these are the pictures they took of you, correct? And I'm pretty sure you're actually wearing the same shirt today.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So that is the same picture. This one as well, right? So that is you, correct?
That looks like me.
But this is, I mean, you're wearing the same shirt.
It obviously looks
Do you remember them taking the pictures of you the other day?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
That's what the pictures are, yeah.
So, this one here, pretty identical, right? Would you say that this is you? I know this one doesn't have color, but it's actually showing the same exact shoes. Okay?
Neon green shoes, green.
The backpack is the same backpack. You can actually tell in this photo. You see the two straps there? The one strap there, the piece there. You got the same thing here, the two pieces there. Okay? Same glasses, same hair.
The photos are in color. We just printed them in black and white.
I can't confirm or deny anything.
Okay. Either way, I mean, it's pretty clear and it's pretty apparent that it is you. Okay. Again,
Excuse me. Sorry.
I will say the one that you're saying you can't confirm or deny. This
I can't say that either one is matching. It looks like somebody that looks like me.
Well, I hear what you're saying. So it's also tough because it's black and white. And it's a photo from a video. The video is actually really good. It's a clear camera.
and I'm willing to show you that video after we get done here.
Yeah, the video we'd be happy to show you. And I was actually there. I was off duty, but that day where you were speaking to the other deputies, I just happened to be at that gas station. I don't know if you remember seeing me, but I remember it was the neon green shoes, it was the green backpack, it was the sunglasses. Your hair was styled upward a little bit. Looks a little bit lower.
And for what it's
now,
worth, the earbuds you're wearing, if I show you the video, you are wearing the same exact earbuds. The shoes match again, and the backpack matches.
I'm not going to say whether the two pictures are the same because I don't know what they are.
We're just explaining.
No, I know. I'm just trying to explain to you how we.
How we can. The only difference from that day and when they stepped out with you and the day I saw you at the gas station after the incident was a Nike shirt. You were wearing that one instead. Other than that, it was the same dark jeans, lime green shoes, sunglasses, green backpack, like olive drab green backpack. Where we're at this point is it's obvious to us that the pictures are both of you. We don't have any doubt about that.
Honestly, I would. Is there any way that we can say that is not you? I mean, that would be the only thing. That would be the only way that we can turn this around now is if we can determine that is not you. And by the looks of, and again, that's just the screenshot of that one video. Mm-hmm. If you saw the whole thing,
which we can show you the video,
it would be a lot different.
Like I said, there's no doubt. We have zero doubt that it's you in both those images. But if you have anything that would help us, if you have anything that would cause doubt on our end, it'd be helpful.
I don't know.
Anything essentially.
I don't know what the problem seems to be.
All right, well, be straightforward with it. You punched that guy in the face that day is the problem. It's right in front of a camera, clear as day. We have video footage of you coming and going, and on the bridge coming and going. And
we actually followed you right back on the traffic cameras, coming right back to here, which is how we got here.
And then the next day, you go back to the same location, wearing everything but the same T-shirt, and somebody who was there recognized you. How you ended up with the deputies that day, because they saw you and like, well, that's definitely that same guy from yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
And then, of course, you told the deputies you weren't really sure what they were talking about and all that, and that's fine. What we were asking a moment ago is if you have any reason there would be some confusion. If you have an identical twin brother or anything like that, anything that we would explain why. Do you have an identical twin brother?
No, I don't have an identical twin brother, but
I can't think of any other way that wouldn't be you because we're positive. I was hoping you might have some amazing information that would make us think otherwise.
I wish I could give you some.
So I always give everybody a fair opportunity to be an honest citizen and to be good about the circumstances they're in and get a chance to actually do the right thing and be honest about it. So we're actually giving you the chance now if you want to be on the right side of things or on the wrong side of things.
as of right now, we only have one side of this. So it's another reason why we're out here. We're trying to talk with you about it. That's why we read you your rights, and that's why we're here.
So do you have audio?
No, we don't have audio.
So you just have somebody's account?
Oh, we have a video of you.
Full video.
Right. So
Clear as day, which again we could show you right now if you'd like to see the video.
what I would like to do is remain silent.
Okay.
Exercise my rights, which is what I've always been told to do. Tell the appropriate authority what happened, who will regulate the accusations, confirm and make sure that the stories match up, and then we'll take
What stories match up?
Well, you just said there's another story.
Well, yeah, obviously somebody called us. We have one side of it, which is why we're here. We're trying
You
to.
have one side of it, and I'm not going to give you the other side.
Let me rephrase it. We have one side of it.
A lawyer.
We have one side of it plus a video which shows an overall of the entire incident.
It's pretty clear, man. Yeah,
Bottom line is, do you have anything else or anything that you want to say before we wrap this up?
I don't think I have anything to say.
Okay. All right. Stand on up.
Hold on. Let me go. Let me put these things in my pocket.
Don't be going in your pocket.
Yeah, I'm putting it in my pocket.
I'm telling you right now, you're not going in your pocket. Turn towards me. If you want to sort out your property, we can do that after. But right now, we got to get you in cuffs.
Where are you taking me?
To jail.
For what reason?
You punched a 76-year-old man in the face.
He attacked me.
For apparently no reason. He attacked.
So you're confirming that you were there, correct? By him attacking you?
I'm saying that you're asking more questions, and I already told you who I want to.
That's called a spontaneous utterance. When you just say he attacked me. I didn't ask you if he attacked you. You just straight up said he attacked me. So I'm going to take that as by that statement you confirm that you were there that day.
I'm going to take the video of you clearly being there, and then coming back the next day in most of the same clothing, comically looking identical to the day before, almost around the same time.
You could take your earbuds off you. We'll make sure you got nothing illegal on you.
No, I just put the earbud in my pocket or take it. Whatever.
Do you want to take it with you?
You can give it to my dad.
I would suggest taking the phone with you. Or do you want to take the phone with you?
Yeah, let me take the phone with me.
I just turn around for me so I could check everything else.
Where's your bike at, by the way?
Bike?
Yeah.
The black bike.
Is it over there?
It's inside.
Okay. I'm just asking if it was here. Okay. What color is it?
Is that another question?
Yeah, you don't have to answer it. Again, you don't have to answer any of these questions.
What should I do?
You're mentally ill. Don't talk until you have a psychiatrist and a lawyer or a public defender. Just don't say anything. I don't know what you did, but it's in your best interest not to cooperate, to wait until you got an attorney and a psychiatrist to work with you because you're mentally ill.
That's why we read you your rights. I mean, that's 100% your right. You don't have to talk to us at all. But unfortunately, the only choice we have is when you don't talk to us is we have to do what we have to do based off of what we have.
Now, let me ask you this question.
So even if we didn't talk, like we're going through the same process here.
So no matter what happens, you were arresting me, so you lied to me.
Unless you had some kind of explanation as to why we were misunderstood, or if there's some information we were missing. If there's something that would explain the incident, that's why we asked for both sides of the story. It's pretty clear on the camera, but for all we know, we never heard your side of the story. So
you have those rights in mind, right?
Yeah.
You know what I said? You understood those rights?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know that you don't have to talk, correct?
I do know that.
So let's go over to the car. I'll show you the video. If you decide that you want to talk, let me know that you want to waive your rights and you want to talk, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right? Sound good?
Fair enough.
There's actually 2 videos that I'm going to show you. We don't have to talk at all. I'm just going to show them to you. I'm going to let them play. If you decide that you want to talk after, just let me know, okay?
Okay. Is that in slow motion?
No. It's not so much.
No, I don't need to see it again.
So with that in mind and your rights in mind, do you want to talk about anything, or do you want to just let me know?
All right. From what I remember, When you saw him turn around like this,
It looks like he said something.
he called me a psychopath and a rapist.
Okay.
He said psychopath, and then somebody else said something, and then he said rape under his breath. And then I wasn't going to stand in line and deal with that, so I walked out, and as I walked out, I just dropped my cup because of whatever reason. I don't know why. It just happened. And I walked out planning to leave and not have any altercation with anybody. And he came out and started threatening me verbally.
Well, how did he threaten you?
He yelled at me. He cussed at me. He said something about, you got a real problem. You want to fight? He put one arm up, and I assumed he was going to come at me. And then I don't know what happened after that. It just all happened too fast.
You had the ability to leave, right? There should have been no threat. Even if he was saying, threatening things, you had the ability to leave and call us and handle it the right way, right?
I'll take responsibility.
What do you mean?
I didn't attack him, but I felt threatened.
Okay.
And the fight or flight response in me, when my sympathetic nervous system's activated.
And it's probably, we could probably, with your diagnosis, that may have some kind of effect on it too.
May have been the wrong response genetically.
All right. Well, I appreciate you manning up to it at least.
I felt threatened, and I acted on instinct.
That's all stuff that's going to go on the report, as well as that you have a mental health diagnosis. And hopefully, what's going to happen is the state attorney's office is going to reach out to the victim. They're going to get in touch with them and see what they want to do. Okay. By the looks of it, they still want to pursue charges. I just talked to them a little bit ago. Okay, but that doesn't mean that things can't change. And if you have some kind of mental health history, then the judge might, there might be some kind of other thing. Maybe you'll get some inpatient care or something like that. But the big thing is you manned up to it, and you basically said that you did this and it was the wrong thing for you to do, and that's a big thing. That goes a long way. All right, so you are obviously placed under arrest. We placed you under arrest over there. Mm-hmm. We already had the intentions on arresting you coming here.
I knew that.
Based off of the video and everything. We were able to identify you. A witness was able to identify you. So that's where we're at. I'm glad that you came forward and you told us your side of it, because that goes
on record because you had that camera.
Yeah. Yep. Both of us do.
And I'm sure the judge will appreciate that too. That makes the whole process a lot easier, and
especially if you have no criminal history.
No, I don't.
Which it sounds like you don't. I'm actually, after I drop you off, I'm actually going to give them a call and explain, because they wanted me to let them know. I'm going to let them know that we took you to jail, and I'll try to explain them your side of things a little bit. You might put it on this.
Yeah. We're going to come over to this back door here. This light. If it gets too hot or cold, just let him know. He'll roll down the window or turn up the heat, whatever you need.
That's cool.
Do you want the seatbelt on?
No belt. I'm fine.
Okay. All right.
Compact cars.
All right. He'll be out of here in 2 seconds.
According to official records, the suspect, identified as Sean Rule, was referred to the state attorney's office for felony battery on a person over 65, a charge under Florida Statute 784.08. Although not arrested at the scene, officers noted that video evidence and witness statements placed him at the center of the incident. His father disclosed that Sean has a history of schizophrenia and is currently on disability. The case remains open with pending prosecutorial review. Sean is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.